welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys. So for the month of November, it was my birthday month, so I got myself Moschino. So let's get started with the unboxing right now. So yeah, so it comes in this Moschino bag. I actually ordered it online because the style that I want wasn't available in store. So it comes pretty fast. I ordered it and it arrived the next day at my office. So I was so shocked at the service. It was so good. So it comes in this packaging, Moschino, and there's a ribbon if you see, and they show like all the address and stuff. And then it comes with a dust bag as well. Over here it says Moschino Contour Milano. So yeah, let's open it up together. I'll show you guys the detail as well. Ta-da! It's this pink Moschino bag. I'm not the type to choose pink usually, but this really caught my eye and I really love like the design. I think this material is waterproof as well. I'll show you guys a close-up right now so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect. So this is a close-up of the Moschino packaging that I received. So it comes with this Moschino bag, Moschino dust bag, which is really cute. And the item that I bought, which is the pink Moschino nylon bag, and it comes with these straps that's removable as well. So if you remove it, it kind of looks like toiletry bags, but if you strap it on, it actually looks like a bag that you can carry on at the side. So the detail of the bag actually looks like this. So over here, Milano, and the material, I think it's waterproof, so it's really nice. And I totally didn't expect it to come with this standee, which is great. It keeps like the back like standing and then keep it the bottom part clean as well. So yeah, the bag looks like this. I'm gonna show you guys the inside right now. So if you open it up, you actually find a tag that I put inside. So it comes with the warranty card, Moschino Milano, and the price tag actually costs $790. And yeah, I like to keep everything inside when I'm not using it. And it comes with this stuffing, which I like to keep so that it can keep the bag in shape when I'm not using it. The inside actually looks like this. It's very spacious. And here it says, here you can see Moschino Milano as well. This is where you can put your coins, your cards. Inside the material is velvet and it's super soft. It's way bigger than I expected. You can put tons of stuff inside. I can put like my phone, my makeup pouch, portable charger and all. It's super adorable. I'll show you guys how it looks like when I clip them on now. It's pretty simple to clip it on. You just literally just open and clip it like that. The clip actually has Moschino Milano as well to identify it. This is something to look out for when you buy the bag. And at the side here, you can just clip it on. And the straps, as you can see over here, is actually adjustable as well, so you can adjust it to 5 different lengths that you like. I like to carry around like my bum area, so I just put it right here. And yeah, I really love the design and the whole outlook. It's just super adorable and I totally do not regret getting it. So yeah, if you're looking for something quirky and cute, I think this is like the perfect bag for you. So yeah, for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you guys think about the Moschino bag, and I'll be back with more unboxing soon. So yeah, see ya.